Let me show you an easy way to turn off two-step verification on your Gmail account. If you turn off two-step verification, I would recommend changing your password to make sure no one else is currently logged into your account and they don't have that password to log in down the road. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, just open up a web browser and go to google.com. After you're on google.com, at the very top right, you're just going to tap on your profile picture and then tap on Manage Google Account. This will take you directly to myaccount.google.com. You can also just type that in and go directly there. After you're here at the very top, let's swipe over, tap on Security, and from Security, all we need to do is scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification, and this will show you all of your two-step verification info, but first you need to authenticate it. So let me just authenticate it with my Face ID. And after I've done that, you'll be able to see the option to turn it off right here. So just tap turn off and then turn off, and you're good to go.